Hey everyone, if you love strawberries and desserts as much as I do, get ready. I'm showing you how to make an absolutely gorgeous strawberry tart. It looks fancy, but it's totally doable at home. Let's get started. I grab a store-bought tart shell. Super easy, saves time. Or go homemade if you want. Bake the shell until golden and let it cool completely. While that cools, let's make the filling. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Spread the filling evenly inside the cooled shell. Now for the fun part. Strawberries. Slice fresh strawberries. Arrange them in concentric circles on top. Start from the outside. Work your way to the center. Melt a bit of apricot jam. Brush it over the strawberries. Look at that glossy shine. Pop the tart in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. You're done. Seriously, it's that easy. Crispy shell, creamy filling, sweet, juicy berries. If you try it, tell me how it goes. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.